If you are looking for a way to make your Thanksgiving turkey even more delicious, this next recipe is for you. Today on our Thanksgiving menu, we are taking on the star of the show, the main course of the meal, but we're leveling up the turkey with a ribbon wrap of bacon. Chef Todd from UVU Culinary Arts Institute is joining me with actually a kitchen full of recipes. This is like your Super Bowl right here. Thanksgiving.
Thanksgiving's awesome.
Best time of the year.
Yeah, best time of the year.
This is a true story. I'm not just saying this because you're standing in front of me and trying to butter you up. Butter you up. We were so excited to see how Chef Todd took on Thanksgiving this year. You had some flavor going on.
You bet.
Yeah?
Flavors are where it's all should be.
All right, bacon begins the day.
Bacon, so, you know, everybody cook turkey. Great. Yeah. Cook it in the oven, whatever you want to do. You can deep fry it, you can smoke it, you can just classic oven roast it.
What do you do?
You can put it in a bag, you can cook it, whatever you want to do.
What do you do at your house?
I do it all.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wow.
No, really.
Okay.
I
like 4 turkeys?
No, I do usually 2.
Okay.
One way and one another.
Mix it up.
I have to do one classic.
Yeah.
Just oven roasted, right?
Okay, all right. We're taking it a step further, though.
This is a step further. This is what we're gonna make. So this,
wow.
This is actually a turkey bacon wrap with stuffing in it.
Oh my gosh.
This one is just a turkey breast cut down, wrapped with bacon and roasted.
Yeah.
So that's really what we're gonna make, and it's really super easy.
And that one is a heart attack. No.
Yeah, and that one is the double heart attack.
Okay.
So we're gonna first take bacon, lay it down, put a little piece of plastic on top. And then we're gonna pound it because we want it really thin. We don't want the bacon to be overwhelming the turkey. We want to eat turkey, right?
Right.
So we're gonna pound it thin, and that also will roast. It'll also roast easier and everything else. So we don't have to pound it tons. Boom, that's the UVU.
The way?
That's the UVU drum right there.
Okay, I like it.
Okay, so now that's done. So that's perfect.
Uh-huh.
Now you just take the tenderloin. That's a tenderloin of the turkey. Okay, we're gonna brush it with egg whites.
Why?
Because it's the glue. Oh dear me, that's a lot.
That's a lot of
whole
glue.
omelet.
Okay.
So now you just brush that.
Did you say dear me? Oh dear me.
That was a whole omelet right there.
Aghast.
You bet.
All right.
Okay, brush all that. So once you get it brushed with your egg white, then that's the glue. Then we're gonna take another one. This one's gonna be the stuffing one. Okay, we're gonna season that up. Salt, boom, boom, boom. Pepper,
boom, boom, boom.
Cha, cha, cha. We're gonna put this stuffing on this little guy.
Oh my goodness.
This is cranberry herb stuffing.
I love the stuffing.
This
I'm
is
a
just
sucker for good stuffing.
regular turkey tenderloin.
Yeah.
Okay, everybody has one.
Where are my gloves? Why am I? Oh, are these mine?
You
are
can
these
wear
yours?
them, sure.
Oh,
Tear 'em up.
well, I want to roll one.
Okay, you roll that one, I'll roll this one. But I'm gonna cut you just a little bit here because you don't want too much bacon, because if you overlap it too much, then the bacon will overwhelm it.
Okay.
I'm gonna cut me a little bit.
You already rolled me.
Oh,
You're making me look good.
Check it out, check
Keep
it out. Check it out.
Okay.
Yeah.
How do you keep all the pieces together then?
That's the trick.
What?
So I'll start it with my knife. And I'll put it all up like that.
Okay.
And then we just gotta roll it really tight.
Keep it.
You're used to rolling sushi, right?
Oh, you know,
Kids
every
love
day.
sushi.
Yeah, right. That's our main fare.
You have a sushi break,
That's our
right?
main fare. Oh, totally.
And then you just kind of roll that tight and get that bacon in there. And because we pounded it, we actually pounded the seals too.
Yeah.
And so that's ready to go. Now you put the seal, the seam side down on the little pan. And then you roast those babies in the oven, 372 degrees.
That's exactly.
Exactly.
That's not too hard.
No, not too hard.
Did I take your gloves?
No,
Sorry. Okay.
You can have those. Okay. Now.
Keepers.
Now, once you get the turkey down, you decide you go through this whole dilemma. What kind of turkey should we eat? Now you got to make sure you have gravy.
Gravy.
Gravy's amazing, and I think gravy's one of the things that actually people struggle with. It's like, how do you make good gravy?
Well, consistency is hard. Like the texture of it gets me. Yeah.
So this is like chicken stock, or you can use turkey stock if you can find it, or you can make your own.
Okay.
This is actually homemade chicken stock. I've added in, see those?
Yeah. What's that?
The little pouch in the back of the turkey is the gizzards, right?
Yum.
Definitely put them in your stock.
For flavor?
Yes.
Okay.
You're not going to eat them, but you can.
You better not.
But I also added mushrooms and celery and onions and garlic and sage.
Oh, wow.
To flavor that liquid.
Wow.
Okay? So now what do I thicken it with? Well, gluten-free, thicken it with a cornstarch.
Okay.
Cornstarch and maybe some white wine, or cornstarch and just some chicken stock, mix it together.
Okay.
Thicken that up. Classically, you would use roux, which is butter and flour. So I'm just gonna take a little butter and flour.
That gravy's gonna have a lot more flavor than anything
Oh
we
yeah.
do. Yeah.
Well, this butter and flour will give you the richest gravy. Okay, so we add a little bit of that roux in here, and that's what's going to be our main thickener of the gravy. You can see it already starting to thicken. Now, this is our finished gravy, and that is all creamy and delicious. Look how wonderful, right?
Yum.
But the thing is, if you want to add some cream or even whole milk, you can do that. It's not a problem. That'll give you a little bit more richness.
Okay.
Okay, so we do that. Boom.
And keep thickening as you go.
Yep. And then don't forget to season. When you season, salt 1,
Oh.
2, 3. Most
That's
people
a
don't.
lot.
I haven't salted it one time yet. This is just, and stock isn't salted.
Okay.
So that's 3, and it needs it.
Okay. All right.
1, 2 big pinches of pepper. And you're good to go. You're going to give it a shot of Tabasco.
Really?
Yep.
This is like gravy on steroids.
You're going to give it a couple drops of Worcestershire sauce.
What?
Yes.
My mouth is, I'm puckering.
True story.
Yes.
Just a couple
okay.
drops. Why? That's all part of seasoning it.
Okay.
If you want good gravy,
All right.
just a little bit of that, salt, pepper, but look at all that flavor.
Yeah. Not
Now-
to step us back, producer question from the sidelines. Where are you getting turkey tenderloins? They want to know.
Oh, right from the breast.
Oh, okay. Got it.
So the tenderloin, if you didn't know, is sitting underneath the turkey
Now we
breast.
know. Little
we know.
anatomy for you.
Yeah, a little
Okay.
anatomy.
All right.
And so when you I actually pulled these off a real turkey that I would normally roast.
Okay.
And I just pulled them off, just
All right.
like you would a chicken.
We've got a couple minutes left. You've got.
Okay, so now you take the gravy. And you just strain that through a strainer, and voila, you have gravy.
Wow.
That's how easy really gravy can be.
Well, that's
Okay.
I don't know if I'd call that easy, but I'd call that worth it.
That's definitely worth it.
Lots of steps. All right,
All right.
finish us off.
So now, what is Thanksgiving without a good yam?
I love a good yam.
Okay, or a sweet potato. These are actually sweet potatoes.
You've cubed these, and because I'm a hard-hitting journalist, I asked
baby.
you all the hard
Yes.
questions during the commercial break. Like, how did you get it in a square? And you said,
I cut it.
okay, fine, fine.
So
I'm confident.
now you can do candied yams anyway. You can just roast them in the oven, but I actually like to pan sear them.
Okay.
That way I know for sure that my roast is perfect.
Yeah.
It's perfectly caramelized.
Yeah.
So you want to just caramelize these. Once you get them caramelized, you're going to just rock and roll with turning them over. So you're going to caramelize one side, and these ones aren't quite
So
there
I'm
yet.
fully cooking them in the pan, or I'm just.
Well, no. Good question. Thank you. So I blanched these,
Got it.
cooked them 60%.
Okay, and then.
So they're tender, but they're not all the way there.
And then finish them in the pan.
Then I just finish them in a pan so that we can get this color. Look how awesome that is.
Is anyone seeing this? This is amazing.
Caramelization perfection. Okay, and how you caramelize.
Hold on. Here, give me that.
Oh yeah, you got it.
I want to just show. We got to get. Are we
gotta
right
get
here?
that up.
Hold on. Look. Where are you?
get that
Where
up.
are you? There you are. Whatever.
Oh baby.
Look at that. Okay. All right. All right.
So candied maple glazed. So when you're gonna maple glaze them,
Do you have room
Once
for
they're
2
brown.
more at Thanksgiving? this is
come on over.
amazing.
Come on over.
Okay.
Okay, so you just turn them over, but then the fun part comes.
What?
Maple syrup.
Maple.
Then we add a little
syrup.
bit of maple syrup right into the pan like that.
Okay.
We sprinkle with brown sugar.
Yes.
See that? Couple pinches of cinnamon.
Okay. All chefy on
And
it.
then
with
just
the
a
sprinkle.
really, really small amount of butter.
Okay.
You don't want a lot of butter in there.
I
Right?
get it. I get it.
Yeah, right.
Otherwise known as a pound. Okay.
And then you just literally glaze those. And what I
Wow,
do is,
Todd.
it's called a pooling method. And you just take your hot sugar and maple and butter. Once that gets emulsified, and you literally just
Wow.
keep coating it like this. Boom,
Wow.
boom, boom.
Wow.
And
Okay.
pretty soon, presto,
That's what you have.
you have these delicious,
in square
awesome
form. In square form, nonetheless. This is amazing. Thank you so much. You've
bet.
been generous. Somehow, this is fancy, this is gourmet, but somehow you make it look like I could do it.
You can do it.
I'm sorry. Let me just sit down to my Thanksgiving dinner. If mine doesn't look like this come Thanksgiving, I'm going to be upset.
Oh,
no, just
baby,
kidding.
just
Todd, thank
follow
you.
the recipes.
Recipes on our website. You've been generous to share. Thank you so much. Teaching the kids UVU how to do it right.
All the time.
Yeah.
UVU, always.
You guys enrolling?
Yeah, right now we are definitely enrolling for our spring.
Okay.
And it's such an awesome time to be a culinarian. So please come down to UVU and sign up, take the classes, live your dream that
Is that
you've
a
always
word?
wanted to do.
Culinarian?
Culinarian.
Okay.
It's my word.
I learned a lot today. Thank you so much.
Would you like another
Good
piece
stuff
of
doing at
bacon?
UVU. Pass me the bacon. Thank you very much.